Hello everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry 24/7 series. In this series, we have been exploring the solution for previous year competitive exam papers. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. Let's see what's today's problem. This is the question from year 2014. According to this question, so this substrate converted into this product by using particular reaction condition. So here you see there are four options are given. Let's solve together which one is the correct option for this question. So here we are going to see each reaction condition. Let's see what's going to happen and what final product is produced. So based on that, we will figure out which one is the correct option for these questions. So in the first option, so now you take our substrate having hydroxy group. So here sodium hydride acts as a non-nucleophilic base which readily abstract the proton from this hydroxy group which produce this corresponding alkoxide ion intermediate. So this alkoxide ion intermediate next react with carbon disulfide. So now you see this O negative charge attack this carbon. So resulting that this carbon sulfur pi electron move towards to the sulfur atom which produce this corresponding intermediate. So this intermediate in next react with methyl iodide. So here you see this S minus ion attack methyl by back side and kick off I minus ion. So particularly this reaction undergo by SN2 reaction which produce xanthate. So this xanthate further react with in second step tributyl tin hydride and AABN. So tributyl tin hydride reagent we already seen in our channel and their preparation, properties and application. If anyone missed that video, you can find the link in the description box below. So when you take the tributyl tin hydride and AABN, which quickly produce tributyl tin radical, so this tributyl tin radical react with xanthate. So now you see this carbon sulfur bipond. So here you see this one of electron and this tributyl tin radical both react together which produce this corresponding carbon center radical intermediate. So now you see the important step going to happen here. So this carbon oxygen bond going to cleave homolytically. So now you see this carbon oxygen bond, one of electron move towards here, then another electron move towards to this carbon atom. So resulting that produce this carbon center radical along with the production of this corresponding byproduct. In fact, the formation of this sulfur tin bond is a main driving force for this reaction. So now this carbon center radical quickly abstract the proton from tributyl tin hydride which produce this corresponding product. So this particular reaction is known as Barton-McCombie reaction or Barton-McCombie deoxygenation reaction. As per this question, so our first option seems to be a correct option for this question. However, we should see remaining option, then let's finalize which one is the correct option for this question. So the second reaction condition which use of iodine PPH3 and imidazole. So when we use this reaction condition which produce this corresponding iodinated product by Apple reaction. So in second step which react with hydrogenation under palladium charcoal condition which produce this corresponding product. So now you see under palladium charcoal hydrogenation. So this double bond also reduced and this iodo group also reduced as well as this deproduction also takes place to produce this corresponding product. However, this is not our exactly correct product for this question. Therefore, this option may not be a correct option for this question. So let's moving on our third option. So third option. So this substrate react with trimethyl chloride, pyridine and DMAP. So when we use this reaction condition, this hydroxy group producted with the TMS group which produces corresponding intermediate. So in next step, when we use tributyl tin hydride AABN, which may not produce our exact product, therefore, so this one also not a correct option for this question. Let's moving on our fourth option. Our substrate react with methyl chloride that produce this corresponding methyl producted alcohol derivative. In next step, when we use lithium aluminum hydride, so here benzoate group reduced which produce this corresponding alcohol product. So as per our question, so this one also not a correct option for this question. So let's moving to the our final question. So as per our discussion, among the four answer, the correct option for this question is option A. So that's it for today's problem. I hope this explanation helped you to understand this question. If you enjoyed this content, you just like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe with ChemOrgChem. And finally, thanks for watching. Bye bye.